how to post GIFs on Threads. So all you have to do is to go here to your Threads section. As you can see, I have posted a GIF. So to be able to do that is you have to go to your Play Store or your App Store and then download Jiffy here. Now here you have to download this application. Now if you're done downloading it, you have to open it and then sign in an account if you have, and then if you do not have an account, then you have to sign up. So all you have to do is to choose actually GIFs that you want to send. So let's say this GIFs, I want to use this. So all you have to do is you will see an airplane icon there. Tap on airplane icon and then tap on copy GIF. Now, after copying GIF, what you want to do next is to go here to your threads and then tap on post or new thread here, or to create a thread, and then just basically long press and tap on paste. Now, as you can see, you have attached the GIF here and tap on post on the lower right. And as you can see here, you have successfully post a GIFs on threads. And basically, that is how you post GIFs on threads. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.